All right, just doing a little update here. I removed all the old spindles, drum brakes, tie rod ends, inner and outer, off this thing over the weekend. The hardest part was probably getting that lower ball joint pressed in and out. Pressing the old one out wasn't terrible, but pressing the new one in didn't seem to want to go in straight, and then kind of had to really just smash it in there and get it to seat flat once it was bottomed out. Just took a lot of torquing because I didn't have a hydraulic press. It's just one of those rental tools. Just got done installing my upper ball joint and getting ready to install the spindles. They'll be CPP modular drop spindles. That is to give me extra clearance to my fenders in front, because with any sort of wider tire, my tires rub. When it's tucked anyway.